everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kamkhalo Mutusi. I am a full-time altruist. I help people with anything and everything that's within my capabilities. Today we are talking about business. So we will be taking on a journey. The coming videos will be about how to start a business, how to register a business, how to market and brand your business, how to price your products. As I said at the beginning of the introduction of the channel, I did say that we'll be talking about job opportunities, business opportunities, school and travel opportunities. So today and the coming weeks, we will be focusing on businesses, small businesses per se. The very first thing that you need to consider when starting a business is to have an idea. You can't just start anyway with anything. So you need to have an idea, a clear vision of what you want to offer the people. Who are you offering the service to? How are you offering that service? And also consider, is there a market for that? Because you don't want to be a business that only has like that one customer every now and then. So make sure that you do your research on that idea that you have. Evaluate, what is it? Who are my target audience? How am I serving them? And is there a market for it? The second thing that you'd want to consider is, how am I going to stand out? Remember, you just identified your idea. So now you're figuring out, how am I going to do things different? Because everyone is doing everything, and you need to be that one person that is unique. Your service is unique. Your product is unique. So you need to figure out, what is it that will set me apart? What is it that will set me apart from the crowd and make people choose my business and not my competitors? The third important thing that you would need to consider is to register your business. It's very, very important for you as a business owner to register a business, because for me, as a customer, I see your business as credible. I assume that you are complying and you're following with the regulations of the country. So should anything go wrong with me placing an order with your company, then I have a point of reference, because I can simply go to CIPC and look for details should your company ignore me when I am trying to inquire about my order. So for me, I would say, if you are someone who is aiming to grow, because businesses don't plan to stay small forever. If you're someone who's aiming to grow, consider registering your business, because it's going to come with so many benefits. A lot of people, when they want to do business with you, they would ask you if you are complying. Are you paying SARS? Do you have a VAT number? They ask all of those questions. So you need to be ready for anything. You might find that you are aiming small, but then someone comes with a bigger project for you, but you find that you are lacking a specific document because you simply did not register your business. So registering your business is very important. And also, before I forget, if you are someone who would also want to get a website for your business, make sure that you go out there and check if your domain name will be there. Is it available? Is it taken? Before you register your business, because oftentimes people they register a business, and then when they are looking for domains, they find that their names are already taken, and now you have to opt for something else, but your business name is like, you end up having a business name that is different from a website name. So now it begins to confuse your customers. So it's very, very important for you to register your business, secure your domain, and also trademark your name. The fourth thing that you'd want to consider is open a business account, because you need to be able to separate yourself from your business. Remember, your business operates as a separate entity, so your business needs to have its own account, because at the end of the day, when you're doing your accounting papers and you're balancing everything and you are ready to file for SARS maybe, you need to be able to do your accounting side of the business separate from your personal side. And also for me as a customer, I need to see that I'm sending money to a business, not to a personal account, because at the end of the day, should anything go wrong, I know I have a point of reference. I know I sent my money to a business account. So it's very, very important for you as a business owner to have a separate account, because you don't want to end up eating the business money for your personal needs. The last thing that you need to consider is business branding and marketing for your business. Branding is very important, guys. Your customers need to be able to identify your brand from very far. You don't want to be confused with a certain brand. You need to stand out. So branding is very important. Go out there, find a graphic designer. Let's start with a logo. A logo is so important. There are people who go to Canva and they create their logos from there. There's nothing wrong with it, but the likelihood is that more people will also go to Canva and copy the same template, and you guys will end up looking the same. Me as a customer, I'll end up being confused, not knowing which account or which business did I follow the last time, because you look like this one, and you want to stay away from that. You want to be unique. You want people to be able to identify you. Go look for a professional person to do your logos, to also do your corporate identity, to also, not only that, there's more to this thing. Even invoice templates. You are also looking at business cards. They do have packages. Graphic designers, they do offer packages where you have your logo, you have your business card designed, everything that you will need to make your business look credible. I will link a business again that you can contact regarding your branding. They will help you. Branding for your business, your social media accounts also, they are very important because everything now is online. So your customers are online. You are targeting people online. Social media is the tool right now that we are using in business to get our customers. So you need to have a social media branding that mirrors your business branding as well. So get a professional to do this. Trust me, people will be able to identify you and people will come straight to you. That's the power of branding. That's it, guys. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you are starting your business. Don't forget to check my description box for people that you can contact to help you with your business journey. You're starting with your business, your idea and everything like that. Do not forget to check out my description box. It's very important. Guys, look out for my other videos that are coming. My next video, I will be doing a tutorial on how to register your business on your own. Remember, you don't need anyone to help you with this, but if you want to pay for convenience, you will also contact other people that might help you with this process. So stay tuned for the next video that will come. If you already have a business, this is going to be a very valuable video for you. Very easy step-by-step video, very short, to the point about registering a business. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate having you guys watching my videos here. I am so grateful for all your comments, all your likes, all your views, all your shares. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you.